Howdy everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. So today I wanted to talk about the highest 1 hour change on Binance, another report found in the analytics for cryptocurrencies. As I said, if you are ever lost or whatever, you can just come into the analytics dashboard. You should have access to it. Two ways to get these reports. Well, there's actually three ways. Just come under here or choose this one here, Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The problem that you may have is that there's so many reports, because there's so many of these reports, like the risk on off is reported every hour. So there's one other report that can easily get lost in this, but I can change this over time. Is we want to look for a report called top, we'll just call it, just look for top one. And what should happen is it should come back with the search results of, let's see here. Oh, no. Let me just see here. Okay. So what we're looking for is, yeah, this is what we want. So all you gotta do is type in highest 1 hour HR, number one, HR change on Binance, and just do a search. As you know, I'm using Binance Exchange, the largest in the world for crypto, for the data and the trading. Let's see if you just type in Binance, that'll work. Yep, so that should work just fine. So from time to time, you'll see this report. This is another important report, so if you expand it out. And then you'll find a spreadsheet for Excel. You can easily download that. Let's just see what it contains. This is called, I believe, the most profitable. So here is an example of this. You know, I'm gonna load in another program. It's just a lot. You'll see the changes a lot better. I don't use Office for whatever reason. I'm not here to talk about my views of the software industry. So we're looking for most profitable. It's right here. So let me load up my Office Libre, which is free, and I'll show you how this works. So this will work no problem in Excel or any other Excel reader program. So what we have here is, okay, so in my previous tutorial, we need to check the risk. You can clearly see everything's down, okay? Everything's really badly down, negative 0.145, 1.26, and a whole pile of other down large crypto coins. So what we have here is this spreadsheet will go out and measure the most profitable or the highest changing price change of crypto pairs on Binance over the last 1 hour and 3 hours, and source it by that time. In a good market, we can get up to 10-20% changes. In my previous tutorial, I was showing Bitcoin was getting 10-20% moves over an hour. So you can clearly see here who are the big movers: ZRX and this ICX1, and as a result of that, guess what? Those get added to my watch list. So just wanted to let you know that this does exist, and you can measure it over 1 hour and 3 hour. And typically you only want to watch certain ones over a certain percentage on the move, and I can give you the logic here. Yeah, so it stops at when ETH, and I believe it will only list out for the watch list those that have a 1 hour change of anything higher than 0.05%. So you can clearly see that that's what's been added to the watch list, and every hour my watch list gets cleared out, and after running this report, it will update the watch list with a new set of currency pairs that are moving, as I said, at least 0.05, but it will shift if it's greater than 5%, or the threshold, which will shift as the markets are trading at a higher weighted average, or the cryptocurrency asset class is trading at a higher, moving higher. Okay, so that's pretty well for that report. and hopefully I'll be out. Talk to you later.